Hola, hoy estamos en la comunidad de Belmont, en la ciudad de Boynton Beach. Está localizada al norte de la Military Trail y couple of blocks al este de Woodbright. Hermosa comunidad, vibrante comunidad y tiene 3 habitaciones, 2 baños. Los invito a conocerla.
Welcome to a spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment that exudes comfort. As you step through the entrance, you're greeted by an open-concept layout that seamlessly connects the living, dining, and kitchen areas. Adjacent to the living area is a dining space that comfortably accommodates a sizable dining table. The kitchen is a true gem, with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. The open layout ensures that conversation flows effortlessly between the living and dining areas. The master bedroom is featuring an en-suite bathroom and a walk-in closet. The en-suite bathroom with bathtub. The remaining 2 bedrooms share a nice bathroom that offers a bathtub. Parking is a breeze with the convenience of a private garage that can easily accommodate 2 cars. Don't miss the chance to make this exceptional home your own and experience the ultimate blend of comfort, style, and community. Belmont in Boynton Beach. Schedule a tour today.